I even turned on all the lights, yeah, just to see if someone is maybe stealing diesel or I don't know. Look at this. Here on the right side there's a screen and it's telling you if you have to go for control or not. There's a guy from inspection. I was controlled, yeah, but obviously everything is fine. Oh my god, that's a place. I'm not going to fit. So yeah, I need to watch out. And this guy is driving very slow, but he's driving fast enough that I'm not able to overtake him, yeah. Holy shit, I have to change this wheel. It was explosion on the highway. Another day, and as you can see I have decided to sleep basically between trees, yeah, it's like some kind of forest, something like that. It's not a good place to sleep. I don't know why. I didn't sleep well. I had some nightmares. I was waking up at night. Basically I woke up a few times at night because I thought that I'm hearing some kind of sound, you know, around this truck, and I even turned on all the lights, yeah, just to see if someone is maybe stealing diesel or I don't know. But there was no one, you know. It was like there was like no one. I even like went out, you know, and with flashlight. There was no one. It's a weird place, okay? It is just a weird place. I'm not going to sleep here again, no. It's just bad experience. Bad vibes, you know. Like, vibes of this place are just bad, okay? The last petrol station in Slovakia. And yes, we are slowly entering Hungary. Almost 11 AM. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we have to slow down. Oh. And welcome to Hungary. Welcome. Oh my god. Whoa. They could fix this piece of the road, yeah? I mean, it's very small piece of the road and they could really fix it. Okay. Oh yeah, let's stop for a moment. To put into Tahoe, yeah? But we are starting our we are starting our work in Hungary. Yeah. I have 120 kilometers to KFC. Yes, the same KFC as always. I will park there. I will go to toilet. I will grab some coffee, some chicken, and then we are going to chill out on the highway to Romania. Simple as that. Whoa. Look at this. Here is a camera on the right, yeah? It's capturing your license plate. And give me a moment. Look at this. Here on the right side there's a screen, and it's telling you if you have to go for control or not. As you can see, we don't have to go, because this control, I mean scale, yeah, scale, it is not mandatory. But even if you don't have to go, you can go, yeah, if you want to go there and to check if, yeah, you have the right amount of kilograms on axles, yeah, you can go there and, yeah, I will check it for you. It's not paid, you know, or something like that, so yeah, but I'm sure that we are okay, yeah. We are on the highway, and we are so lucky that we can drive 90 per hour, yeah. It's just amazing. But I guess that we will have to slow down, because those guys in front, I think they are driving like 86, 85. Yeah. Fortunately, 5 kilometers later, I will have my KFC, yeah. And I will take a break, yeah, I will take a break, 45 minutes. And hopefully later on we can have some empty piece of highway, so I will be able to drive 90 per hour. Yeah, I have to slow down. I would bet for 86. Probably 86 will be okay. Maybe 88. Let's see. Yeah, 88 per hour, and I'm getting slowly closer to him. So it's going to be 86, yeah. Look at this, as always we have a place, yes. Obviously I had to reverse here because there are trucks behind me parked. But anyway, it's time to go for us. It is time to go. After 45 minutes, on the road again, highway, and we have 180 kilometers to Romania. Yes, to Romania. Look at this. We have this Hungarian scale, and today we have no line. Yeah, there is no line to this scale. Okay. Okay, we need to slow down to 50. There's a guy from inspection. Okay, so what is happening? Look, I was controlled, yeah, but obviously everything is fine. Yeah, and we are going. They have controlled my driving license, load paperwork, what else? Like the company license and technical state, a technical condition of this truck, yeah. And we have to pass via scale to get out. Okay, so I have passed via this scale. Of course, everything is fine, yeah. And everything has basically 35, almost 36 tons. Yeah. And we are going out. Yeah, those are the same guys, yeah. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. 12th of March. Yeah. 12th of March. Border between Hungary and Romania. Look at this. It's closed here. It's closed. We are not going there. Oh my god, we are not going there. Holy shit. Holy shit. We are crossing just like that. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Before it was there, you know. There's probably a police. Yeah. Border police. Oh my god, and we are in Romania. Welcome to Romania. Just like that. Oh my god, just like that. Yeah, there we can buy vignettes. Holy. Holy. The guy is overtaking me. Oh my god. And yes, if you are wondering what is the plan, we are driving to the last petrol station on the highway, because we have to take a break. 45 minutes. Yes, look. I still have 5 hours, 23 minutes of driving time. So I guess that we are going to arrive somewhere to Romanian mountains, yeah? Romanian mountains. Okay, so that's the place to take my break. Yes. The last petrol station on the highway. Okay. I hope that we can find something. And I want coffee. Oh yeah, I want coffee. We'll go like that. Look, they have showers. Do I need shower? Eh. Look at this, plenty of trucks. Oh my god. Are we going to reverse there or not? Oh my god, that's a place. I'm not going to fit. I will take this one. Yeah, this one is okay. But it's still hard, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, we are out from the highway. We are using this mountain road to Pitești, and I have 1 hour 18 minutes of driving time, and we are driving as far as we can. I just want to pass as much of this road as I can, because tomorrow, you know, during the day we can have traffic, we can have accidents, we can have roadworks, so during night it is good to pass as much as possible. And if you are wondering, Danny, do you have any kind of parking place where you can park? No, I do not have, no. It doesn't work like that on this road. You have basically few petrol stations, you have some parking places that are paid, yeah, and you have some spaces, you know, next to the road where you can actually park. And I don't know which one I will take. I don't know. It depends how this road will progress later on, how road will treat us, yeah? Is it going to be fine or not? Another day, and we are on the road again, yes, and that's our first traffic. Obviously. It's not a long one, look. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so as you can see, day as usual in Romania. Yes, we are climbing mountains. Yeah, what I can say, We have 160 kilometers to Bucharest. I mean to the point of passing Bucharest. I don't know exactly how many kilometers we have to highway. Probably 40, maybe less. I think less. Whoa. Yeah, that's not so easy one. Fortunately, it is not raining anymore. Yeah, it's 15 degrees outside, it is not raining, but the road is still wet, as you can see probably. So yeah, I need to watch out. And this guy is driving very slow, but he's driving fast enough that I'm not able to overtake him. Yeah, it's just so annoying. But maybe later on, maybe later. I mean, I could overtake him, but it will take ages, you know. It will take just ages, and I don't have that kind of road here. Oh my god, look at this. They are repairing the road. Yeah. You remember that last time we had a lot of new holes on the road, yeah. Shit. I'm driving with my one wheel on this old piece of the road and one is here, yeah. Okay, it can be like that. That's very good, you know, that's very good. They're going to repair it and it's going to be... Whoa, whoa, good road again. And we are climbing. Oh look, here on the right side you will have a bus. Yeah, but it is burned completely. Look. Very interesting, very interesting. And we have to change lane. Yeah, they are repairing this road, okay. Please don't stop uphill. Please don't stop, okay. Look at those heavy machines. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's tight. Okay, we got this. Don't panic. Nice. Okay, so I will show you something. That's a nice church. But it's not about church, no. We are basically 4 kilometers from the highway. And on this part of the road, on the left side, we are going to see some place to park. And usually there is some kind of control for trucks. You know, like inspection, yeah. I don't know if they are here today, right now. No, they are not. I'm talking about this place, look. Nice big place to park for trucks, and very often inspection is here. It's 11:40 AM. And yeah, we are almost on the highway. Almost. 125 kilometers to the point of passing Bucharest. It's still a lot. Yeah, it's still a lot. Oh, this taxi. Come on, man, floor it. Okay. Whoa. Look at this, what is happening here. Holy shit. I have to change this wheel. It was explosion on the highway. Okay, so it's done. Look. Look at this. I'm almost finished. Look. That's the part of the job, because it is part of the job, yeah. Holy shit. Okay, so it's done. It is done. And it's raining right now. Oh my god. I have finished just before this rain. Oh my god. 2:36 p.m. Look. It took me 2 hours 30 minutes to change it, with some breaks for resting, yeah, because holy shit, to do it just by yourself, holy shit, I do not recommend this activity. No. But you know, it's like gym, you know, it is like a good session in a gym. Holy shit, with, you know, lifting, with some cardio, with everything, and it's for free. Holy shit, it's for free. Oh my god. Yeah, let's go. I hope that we are not going to lose any other tire, because I don't have more, yeah. For trailer I had just one, and the second spare tire is for truck, so I have no idea why this tire exploded. I don't know, because there was no damage, yeah, on this tire. I don't know, maybe there was something on the highway that I didn't see. I don't know, maybe. Anyway, let's go.